Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to update Roblox. The only way to update Roblox is to delete the application and then install it again. So for now, search for Settings in your Microsoft bar. On Settings, select Apps and Features. Once you're now here, scroll down till you find Roblox. Once you find Roblox, select the application this time. Find Roblox Studio, then select Uninstall. Now the next step is to download Roblox once again. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.